Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'll show you how to embed your own username in Discord, so it appears as a real mention and highlights just like when someone tags you. Many people don't know this small trick, but it is very useful for custom messages, bot embeds, announcements, or simply tagging yourself properly. First, open Discord and go to User Settings. Scroll down to Advanced and turn on Developer Mode. Now, right-click on your own username anywhere in Discord and click Copy User ID. Next, go to the chat where you want to embed your username. Type this format, the less than sign, then @ then paste your user ID, then the greater than sign. Send the message, and it will automatically turn into a clickable mention of your username. That's it. You successfully embedded your own username in Discord. Thanks for watching PC Error Detective. See you in the next video.